Hi, I'm Bryson, and today I'll be showing you how to make an easy paper glider. The supplies that you are going to need are a piece of paper and a stapler. Let's get started. The first thing that you want to do is you want to take it and fold it in half. And a lot of people call it hot dog. So, like this. And try to get the best creases that you possibly can so it stays together. And now what you want to do is you want to take this corner and put it to about right here. And then you put it on the side and then crease. Repeat that on the other side. And then you want to fold it. You want to fold this corner down to right here. So it looks like an envelope. And crease. And after you're done with that, you want to make sure that this line kind of goes with this one. And then crease it. Next thing that you want to do is you want to take this side like we did up here, and you want to fold it down like this. And crease. And then repeat that step on the other side. All right. And then what you want to do is you want to take this corner and you want to fold it down to right here. Like this. And then what you want to do is you want to take it and fold it this way. Crease up here and try to crease it really hard to make it stay together. And then what you want to do is you want to take this and put it down to right here, like folding this down to here in half. And that'll make one of our wings. Crease. And then you switch to the other side, and you want to do that on the same side for our second wing. Crease. And then this is optional, but you can put these wings up like this for better flying. All right, and then you want to staple it. You can staple it or you can't. It's your choice. That is how to make an easy paper glider. Happy flying!